A day in my life. Dollar General decorations. I need to buy more of these. Oh my god, look how precious these are. Cups are never too much. Let's give them a little washy. Washy. Washy, washy, we washy these cups. I love all these decorations I got. Flowers and more flowers. Oh Lord, it looks so amazing. It's time to do the table. How can this turn out? This tablecloth is pretty, so perfect for my dining table. My table need a makeover very bad. It's time to washy this table, OMG. Scrub, scrub this table we go. Clean, clean. Oh my god, butterflies and flowers go together. I'm glad I have time to clean my kitchen and put these gorgeous decorations. Looking good. I love it.
Same way about it that she does.
Oh, thank you. The shoe.
It wasn't me, brother. For meeting the boss on the island, and I want to know if you guys feel the same way about it that she does.
Oh, thank you. The shoe. Jake, I'm not too bad. You were sick for so long. All I did the whole time was lay in bed and eat soup. I don't want to eat soup again for like 20 years. Sounds terrible. A good part of every day was when my mom's Amazon boxes were delivered, and then we got to hide them from my dad.
Look how this turned out. I love it. Yes, Queen Slay.